Hello everyone and welcome to this review on InstaWP. InstaWP is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and manage WordPress sites quickly and easily. It's designed to streamline the process of setting up new WordPress sites. Whether you're interested in testing plugins, interested in testing themes, custom codes, or for creating demo sites for your clients. In this review, we'll be talking about the features, the pros and the cons, the pricing, and at the end, you'll get to make your choice if this is best for you. With Instant WP, you get instant WordPress setup. You get to create your new WordPress site in seconds without the need for manual installations or server configurations, which can be a bug to some users. You also have a pick of pre-installed plugins and themes to get started quickly. You can also easily stage sites for testing, make changes just before publishing them to your live site. If migration is your concern, you don't need to worry about Instant WP as it uses a few easy steps to migrate from your WordPress to Instant WP. They also have great collaboration tools which facilitate your team project to seamlessly work together in managing your website. So if you're a web developer, designer, or anyone who works with WordPress, Instant WP is definitely going to be a valuable tool. When talking about the cons, we can say that Instant WP is a great choice if you'd like to quickly create and manage multiple WordPress sites without the hassle of manual instructions. The user-friendly interface makes it easy if you'd like to migrate into Instant WP for the first time. And as we mentioned before, the staging feature is great for helping you see how your website will be before you get to launch it. On the flip side, with the cons, there is some limited customization features as there are some limitations compared to the traditional hosting. And as a cloud-based platform, you need stable internet connection to access your website. Now, that might not be a problem for many, but if you're having issues with your internet connection, then this will delay your progress. And in some cases, performance might be slower than the traditional hosting, especially with resource-intensive sites. Now, when we come over to pricing, you have three tiers for developer and hosting plans. And if you're interested in hosting only, you just have one plan. For development and hosting, you have the starter at 45, which is billed yearly, and you can also use the coupon code to get some discount. You can claim your deal. However, here are the tools you can find in the starter. You get to stage 9 sites, migrate a maximum of 3 per month. You also have 5 templates and a low disk space of 5 GB. However, if you're looking for something more robust, you'll need to go over to agency or professional where you have an increased number of these features compared to the starter. Under the managed web hosting, you get these other features such as 25 to 55 GB of disk space per site, 2 to 5 CPUs, and daily file backups to protect you from a loss. InstaWordPress has created over 1.5 million websites so far, and every month it's getting an average of 3,000. Of course, you also have some reviews which you can read up for yourself who've had the experience using InstaWP for themselves. If you have any comments, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next one.